Boom shakalaka, massive Bitcoin money flow divergence, and why Bitcoin has a lot of catching up to do. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including a massive money flow divergence and why Bitcoin has a lot of catching up. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 49, almost dead neutral. The overall market sideways. Today, Bitcoin at 26,506, Ethereum at 1728, BNB at 246, XRP 48 cents, Cardano 26 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Tron 7 cents, and Solana 1558. And the top coins today, based on AI like ChatGPT, but specifically for crypto, would be Caspa, Beldex, Aragon, Maker, and Throne. And you can try this out for yourself. Use AI to pick out the best coins. Free trial to Tokenmetrics down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today bouncing outside of this downtrend channel. A little bit of caution. There are some lines of resistance, particularly the 50 and 100-day moving averages right above where Bitcoin is right now, right above $27,000, as well as some volume to break through at those levels as well. But it does appear like this downtrend has been stopped. Now, why is that? Well, because BlackRock has filed for some spot Bitcoin ETFs. Historically, BlackRock has only ever been denied 1 out of 500 applications to the SEC. So hopefully this won't be number 2. But a spot Bitcoin ETF would be very good because that would send the price up as opposed to a futures Bitcoin ETF, which can send the price down. That being said, well, it's pretty much par for the course for Bitcoin. We all saw this inverse head and shoulders and got faked out, but it turned out we just had a little bit of a throwback before continuation on to the original target for Bitcoin. Huzzah, very nice. Well, amidst all the short-term volatility, it's sometimes advisable to take a step back and see where you stand in this cycle. If you take a look, the RSI histogram down on the bottom has broken above the moving average right here, similar to what we've seen in each cycle towards the very, very beginning of the upward momentum. You can see this is just the beginning of what is to come. We have a huge Chaikin money flow divergence going on right now. BlackRock news is a catalyst. Bitcoin has touched base with a high liquidity support area where we are right now, finding support there. Also positive Chaikin money flow. Setup very similar to 2016. As you can see, money flow increasing, price going sideways, finding support above liquidity. Same thing we have right now. And this was where we are right now. This was when Bitcoin went from $400 to $20,000. That's a, what, 500x? Something like that, 50x? Something huge. Yeah, that's a 50x. That's freaking huge if that could happen again. Now, Bitcoin, 9 days later, and Bitcoin is back above the baseline on the Keltner channel. As you can see right down here, the baseline of the Keltner channel is a very important bull market line for Bitcoin. Parabolic curve is just starting to get fun. You can see that this line, the baseline of the Keltner channel, is support for Bitcoin a lot during a bull run. Many times you see lots of green arrows right here. Once again, another green arrow for Bitcoin in the Keltner channel. The Bitcoin bull market rages on with a successful retest of also the 20-week moving average. Market manipulators made a brief wick below, but now it's turned into a positive bounce. This is still just the beginning. Have not seen the parabola yet. Imagine what Bitcoin can do when we see that parabola. Yes, just imagine, because we have formation not only like 2015, 2016 at the beginning, but also like 2020, Bitcoin breaking the falling wedge, and resistance and stock RSI will stay on the high side, similar to what we saw back here right before Bitcoin took off on an absolutely parabolic, massive move. Same thing will put Bitcoin well above $100,000 within a few months. And you have to remember, Bitcoin is pretty much the scarcest it has ever been. Right now, pretty mind-boggling stat showing just how scarce Bitcoin truly is. There's now over 500,000 more Bitcoin that haven't moved in at least 10 years than there are on exchanges. There's just not Bitcoin available on exchanges anymore, and it's getting less and less as time goes on. Possible pre-halving targets, if we take a look at the 61.8 fib based on the base, well, the same as that summer rally to 13,000, then we would have a 48, almost $50,000 rally now, because when you take a look at things over time, Bitcoin has some massive catch up to do, not even in the blow off top channel yet. Right now, the blow off top channel roughly around $40,000 to $50,000, where we could see that first top before a continuation. Should we get to the second top, that's looking upwards of $100,000 to $200,000 for Bitcoin. Yummy, yummy. That sounds delicious. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.